There's Sydney and Rio. Sydney found a stick. Oh, he's very proud. You're a proud boy. Tucker's waiting patiently for a stick. And there's Bailey in the back, checking in. Good job. And Pippin, having a little sniff. There's Ebony, just waiting for a stick too. Hey Sydney, is that tasty? Oh, here they go. Get it, Ebony. Where's the stick? Where's the stick? Oh, good girl. Rio. Good job. Good girl.